Okay, so don't mind my house. This is just the back room where I put this in. I'll put it in my sewing room in a bit. But I just want to take you on my journey of my sewing machine, the pre-1900s, that works. I got it and had it looked at. They cleaned it up really, really good. Cleaned all the hardware on it, underneath, on the inside. This is called a Sphinx because of the Sphinx bird right there, down here, everywhere on it. That is so cool. This is the neatest machine. That is my needle threader. You know, I just can't thread a needle. Isn't that so awesome? Now all of this is rubbed off because it's gotten used a lot. Let me just take this out. Okay, let's see. Let's pull that out. You can see all this. Looky here, y'all. Oh, you can't see it. It's not light, but it's all nice and pretty and shiny. She did a really good job for Fajardo's on Bernard Street. Really nice. I mean, you know, it is chipped, but it is pre-1900s, you know. This is the sweetest. Well, you know, it does look used. These drawers do work, and they do have really cool stuff in it. But oh, look at that. It's a treadle. And it is just amazing. And that'll go all the way down. Oops. Dang it. I scratched the wall. Man, this is so cool. Has the base under it. Singer. I'm so excited, you guys, to start sewing on this thing. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'll bring you along the journey. This is just the first video of my start. It took a long time with me tearing it apart, and then I finally gave up and I took it down to Fajardo's on Bernard Street in Bakersfield, and I had them really overhaul it, get everything all pretty and shiny, and I can't tell now because it's not sunlight out and there's only a floodlight going that way, and they cleaned underneath really good, oiled it up real good, and then I put the belt on it. I think I might have put it a little bit too loose, but we'll see. We'll try it out next time. Hopefully it'll be in my sewing room, and I'll come back to this. For now, have fun sewing.